Hello again, my name is Vaibhav Sharma, intern at LEXIS and Company. So recently, High Court said that the Central Vista project is a vital and essential project, national project. तो चलिए जानते हैं इसके बारे में थोड़ा और. So the Delhi High Court on Monday dismissed a plea that sought direction to suspend all construction activities of the Central Vista Avenue redevelopment project. The continuation of the project was challenged in the view of the second wave of COVID-19 pandemic. A bench of Chief Justice D.N. Patel and Justice Jyoti Singh dismissed the plea, saying the petition was motivated and not a genuine PIL. The bench imposed a cost of Rs 1 lakh to the petitioner too. The court further allowed the Central Vista construction to continue, saying it is a vital and essential national project. The High Court, while refusing to stay construction, said that the labourers are staying on the site, so no question of suspending the construction work arises. Even the DDMA, that is Delhi Disaster Management Authority, has no cushion prohibits the construction of work, the Delhi High Court said. And the High Court said that the legality of the project was already upheld by the Supreme Court of India. Hardeep Singh Puri, Union Minister for Housing and Urban Affairs, addressing a presser following the HC verdict, said that the false narrative is being propagated for the Central Vista project and none of the historic and cultural buildings will be touched, the Union Minister said. Puri also said that the labourers of the construction site are being vaccinated and it is their responsibility to vaccinate the laborers as well. And he even said that 900 workers from 1300 workers, 900 workers are already being vaccinated and they are following all the guidelines given by the government in the COVID-19 pandemic. So what was the reason that the Central Vista construction was opposed? So in the joint plea by Ananya Malhotra, a translator, and Hosli Hashmi, a historian and documentary filmmaker, the petitioners had contacted that the project was not an essential activity in the COVID-19 pandemic. The petitioners' council has linked the project to Auschwitz, a German concentration camp during Second World War. The petitioners' counsel Siddharth Luthra had contacted that the center's claim on the availability of medical facility and other amenities on the site were all false. The central government said that the petitioners were not concerned with the health and safety of the workers at the construction site and even said that the public interest is very selective about the health of the workmen. So what is Central Vista project? Central Vista project is a project of reconstruction of the Parliament House from India Gate to Rashtrapati Bhavan. It is a plan to redevelop a 3-kilometer long stretch from Rashtrapati Bhavan to India Gate, which includes new Parliament Hall building, Common Central Secretariat, new residence for PM and Vice President, new building for PMO, Raksha Bhavan, India Gate, National War Memorial, which will estimated a cost about 20,000 crore rupees. The project envisages building a new Parliament House, a new residential complex to house officers and Prime Minister and Vice President as well. So on these grounds, the High Court, Delhi High Court. So on these situation, the Delhi High Court dismisses plea to halt work of the Central Vista project in the COVID pandemic, giving the reason that the Central Vista project is a vital and essential national project to India, and also it should be continued. Thank you.